guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and I was just taking a quick drive. So once I get back, I'll be taking a quick trade on my PC because I saw a quick trade. Like I said, if you want to get the free trial for 3 months to 12-month signals, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. And if you want to get the free hedging course, it's quite raining. I don't know why it's raining, it's supposed to be summer. If you want to get the free hedging course where I'll be showing you with live trades how to hedge out your trades, doesn't matter what system or strategy you use, you'll be able to hedge out, and you get the software. Message me hedging in link in description below. And yeah, we'll be right back into the trade video soon once I get to my PC. Like I said, if you want to join me live scalping, learning my scalp system, which is what I'm gonna use to scalp this trade, go to hedgingmastermind.com. make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bells below. And yeah, let's get into this video. See you guys on the PC soon while we're making profits. Also, make sure to comment. I always reply to every single comment. Hey guys, it's the 9th of July. I'm on my PC very quickly. I'm going to take this system B buy. I want to set my take profit very quickly. So I have two scalping systems, system B, which gives me a lot of profit. I also hedge out my trades so that I'll not lose a stop trade if it goes bad for me, because you can never be 100% sure. You always have to be able to have an exit strategy, and my exit strategy is hedging. And I have a system B scalping system. That's what gives me all those big profits. Remember, if you want to learn hedging for free, message me hedging on Telegram. The link is in the description below. Make sure to do that, guys. And make sure to join the free Telegram group, also link in the description below. We're trying to get to 10,000 members. And if you want signals for free for 3 months to 12 months, message me trial on Telegram, link in the description below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click all those notification bells on, and click all notifications so that you can stay alert on live streams, which I do 3 times a week. Free signal analysis during New York session for about 3 hours to 4 hours. You can come in there to ask any questions when I go live. And yeah, we're already in the trade, and we'll be right back when we're into profit. Remember, if you want to learn my scalping system, go to hedgingmastermind.com. We'll be right back soon. All right, guys, we're back. As you can see, we're getting closer and closer to profit. Remember, if you want to join me live scalping like this, one-on-one on Zoom or in person, I'll be scalping live with you, teaching my hedging system, my scalping system. Go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll see how much profit we get into this real soon. Like, we're getting closer and closer to take profits. You also get the software. Even with the free hedging course, you get the software that tells you when and where to hedge. Okay, if you get the full course, you get the software that tells you when to buy, when to sell, you see there are alerts showing you to buy, to sell. Okay, where to enter, when to enter, where to exit, when the trend has changed, all the market dynamics that you need, so you won't be using stop loss and be losing out your trade and blowing your account. So you have confidence in your trade, because you'll be seeing the trade happen multiple times, and you'll be getting better and better. Remember to join me 3 times a week for free live stream signals analysis. They always play out as I say, down to the T. You'll see the software in action live, and you'll be able to ask questions in the comments. And yeah, we'll be right back once we're into more profits. Like, share, and subscribe, and click all the notification bells on, and make sure to comment. All right, guys, and we're back. We hit about $500 in take profits. The market said went to where I said it was going to go to. This is my scalping system in action. If you want to see this live, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If I say it's a buy, it must buy. If I say the market will go down, it will go down. It's full dumb money into going down, while I'll be taking buys in the market, and we're making profits. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Send me trial on Telegram if you want to get signals for free for 3 months to 12 months, and message me hedging on Telegram, link in description below, if you want to get this hedging software and learn how to hedge for free in a group class with other people, and you'll be asking questions about different pairs, and yeah, you'll be learning in this free class. We'll be right back soon with another scalping videos, and yeah, stay updated on the channel, join the live stream, and we'll see you soon.